kaka sango ya Lubamba, ngomba oyo ya bana mboka, nakutana na Papinyo ayebisinga zonga mboka. Natumie sango ya Lubamba alobisinga maloba oyo, yango nazonga mboka kosala bilanga kobokolo bibwele. Avenir ya Afrika ekouta se na mabele. Nayo kaka sango ya Lubamba ibuka ketoka esingola, nakutana na Fernando ayebisinga zonga mboka. Natumeye sango ya Lubamba ayebisanga maloba oyo, yango nazonga mboka kosala bilanga kobokolo bibwele. Avenir ya Afrika ekouta se na mabele. Oye! Que viva África! Yeah! Nayo kaka sango ya Lubamba ibuka ketoka esindola, nakutana na Fernando ayebisinga zonga mboka. Natuna ye sango ya Lubamba ayebisanga maloba oyo, yango nazonga mboka kosala bilanga kobokolo bibwele. Avenir ya Afrika ekouta se na mabele. Lubamba, oh yes. Lubamba lwatunge mbanza ambuka iyalekeya. Tuvutiki kumavaka twenda sodi na sole, twatomesensi nzieto ya kivuila yaya. Lubamba lwatunge nzo, lwatunge mbanza ambuka iyalekeya. Tuvutikiluma vasa twenda sodi na sole, twatomesensi nzieto ya kivuila yaya. Lubamba lwatunge nzo, lwatunge mbanza utaialeke. Aya! Ezombo ditele tunga la kikolonia ya masinga nini, ezombo kikulu. Aye! Ezombo ditele tunga la kikolonia ya masinga nini, ezombo kikulu. Ezombo ditele tunga la kikolonia ya masinga nini, ezombo kikulu. Ezombo ditele tunga la kikolonia ya masinga ngadi, azombo kikulu. Lubamba lwatunge nzo, lwatunge mbanza utaiyaleke yaya. Luvutukinuma vata twenda soli na sole, twatomesensi nzieto ya kivuila yaya. Lubamba lwatunge nzo, lwatunge mbanza utaiyaleke yaya. Fernando, yeah. Ezombo ditele tunga la kikolonia ya masinga ngadi, azombo kikulu. ditele tunga la sikolonia ya masinga ngabi azombo kikuyu nayo kaka sangu ya Lubamba kimbuka keto kya esingonga nakutana na Fernando ayebisinga zonga mboka nakuna yesango ya Lubamba ayebisinga maloba oyo yango na zonga mboka usala bilanga kobokolo biwele aveni ya Afrika eko utase na mabele Konterano, kumenga mamosi, kikundika jenwa, yonge denta vokukele sije mwendo, mokena yendenta kompadre, kintu kakanda toma fukila, moke wa uko tumukidi uzowa, badanga nendenta kemanta didiko. Mayada lele, atuzola ziana, compadre. Sola ziana Salu isasilenge kanda wenye kwa ndenda Konterano wada kile kumbadi tuzola ziana kinduka makanda kete kasikila makuku matatu kutusale kenda wele kwa niyaya wabomila bandongi yaya wani kakangula wabomila bandongi yaya wani kakangula tuzola ziana Eko mawila anga matamu Kiendi Kamwendo kwe keba ukuseruka Eya Keba na yoe keba ukukashe Badi kiendi Kamwendo kwe keba ukulana mama
Kiambo tema vipi
Mangwana yaya Konzo kanye
We are allowed to come in.
Mangwana yaya Mwana kimukwa tunga
We went back. Sam went back to London.
Kimukwa tunga Emalo mapunga Nambeu Nikuna makela Kiendi Eya Badi kiendi mama mangwana yaya Wisiki mkwa tunga mangwana yaya Mwana kimukwa tunga Unakangola mangwana yaya Emalo makunga Nikuna makela Kiendi
Hello.
Eya
Sorry to bother you, sorry.
Mabwidi Enakina lukwezo Lukebi Enjo mangwa Deko nonga lijo bikola imasaki
I'm calling because I think there's some change. Okay, thank you very much. No, yes, there was someone who told me that there was no show. Never mind, but Pedal is here. Okay, see you later. You take care. Take care.
For Expedia members, travel doesn't end at booking. It's getting a discount on your trip.
Inakakala cantando, Magdalena Ngewangaisa. Ungeyo mono lubambanu, esperanza lubambamu. Sibikidindolame, ndiwamba kidiki zeyoko. Tomeneoza ya kwako, sidie kuku sika wawane. Mangaize ni tumbaye matoko, onzo mtuyo wandimado. Onzo jambu yaya, wanda ye mokena. Inakakala cantando, Magdalena Ngewangaisa. Ungeyo mono lubambanu, esperanza lubambamu. Sibikidindolame, ndiwamba kidiki zeyoko. Tomeneoza ya kwako, sidie kuku sika wawana. Mangaize ni tumbaye matoko, onzo mtuyo wandimado. Konto jambu yaya, wanda ye mokena. Inakakala cantando, Magdalena Ngewangaisa. Ungeyo mono lubambanu, esperanza lubambamu. Sibikidindolame, ndiwamba kidiki zeyoko. Tomeneoza ya kwako, sidie kuku sika wawana. Mangaize ni tumbaye matoko, onzo mtuyo wandimado. Onzo jambu yaya, wanda ye mokena. Lulendo kefuki ambote kolena. Wizatwa wawana, vayeto kake. Wakonda mbangi, vayeto kake. Angola lena, una soyo mama. Untisi vampambwa ntilako, Angola. Wizatwa monana, kunembanza. Unatwa yantikila, takaza meso, idukidizengi. Umakianzole mama. Mwanakento watomena, kamalongo. Luzingula muntu kenovelako, ayaya. Ekumbu kodisa kidikidikidisola. Amadelani, kala yetwenga. Mungula kwa ingi vavanja mambu masaka. Yetwa onso kituzolanga luzingulwa pisa. Wakalanketo yeko yakala. Yadu Zaire,
Zaire telama,
Banda Congo,
Banda Congo telama,
Una Soyo,
Soyo kina,
Bana
Noki telama.
Kiambote, Nyama Vimpi.
Kiambote.
Okay, let me greet the audience. Hello, if you're watching, we thank you. This is Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Kongo Kingdom. Former. I always say, yes, we are here. The kingdom is here. Not former. Kikongo is spoken in Angola, Gabon, the DRC, and the Republic of Congo. Tutondele. Thank you very much for your time, Tatale. I'm going to tell you, thank you. The Congo language is alive because of you. When people are watching you, they say, no, oh God, this is it. We're fighting, no? It is not a lost battle, yeah? You bet. We're here to stay. Tutondele. Okay, I think Tatale, you miss, anyway, Happy New Year, Tatale.
Happy New Year, yeah. Last week was a struggle.
You missed lesson. We went it was just a recap, yes?
Yes.
Okay, we are live. Let me just test your knowledge. I'm not going. Kikongo, you give me the version. You give me that. Kikongo.
Kilendi Kwendako.
Okay, you went beyond my. Okay, that's fine.
Oh yeah.
Extra mile. That's fine. Sorry.
Kikwendako.
Bravo, yes, Kikwendako. Then what tell you? I'm not coming.
Kikwizako.
Yeah, you're not sure. Kikwizako, yes. Remember, you have a double negative, yeah? Ki goes with ko, yeah? Twins. Good. So now we're using lender. Lender, translation, lender, the word, I mean the verb.
The verb,
English.
Can.
Positive. Lender is positive, yes? C-A-N, yes.
Like can.
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Then what tell you, okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, can't. C-A-N-T. Kikongo.
Kilendi.
Kilendi. Well done. Remember, you missed this. Let me just write it down. I think that Nengotede will help you. There's another weird meaning of this word. That Nengotede, we talk about something else. Remember, can you help Tata understand? Lender. Have you forgotten? Nengotede, are you there?
Tata's gonna give me a hint. Like a little hint.
You forgot. You forgot. You don't remember.
I forgot it.
No, okay.
What?
Lenda is the most beloved wife. Yeah,
Oh, yeah, okay, yeah. Now,
okay, go ahead and please explain that. Yes.
so Lenda is the word they use for the favorite wife of the man, like his most favorite wife, and it's usually the youngest wife.
Yeah, in polygamy. Yes, okay. Brackets, close bracket, open and close bracket.
Yeah, we don't want to
Okay.
get canceled.
Tutondele. Okay, I can't go. Tatale.
Kilendi kwendako.
Bravo. Nengo tajwa. I can't come.
Kilendi kwizako.
Well done, yes. Okay, tatala emphatic yeah, pronoun. I can't go. Please. We still keep the land. We
yeah,
keep the landy.
yeah.
We still keep the land, yes.
Kilendi kwenda no, Kilendi.
Yeah.
Kilendi kwenda
Yes.
kwamiko.
Well done, yes. Kilendi kwenda kwameko. But I mean, it's not grammatically it's fine, but it's not often used Kilendi and kwame. The reason we do that just so that you get used to that. Yes, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Because if you say kikwenda kwameko, that should be enough. Yeah. Of course, if you can't kwenda kwameko, you mean it, then you can't anyway. Are you with me? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. But just for the sake of learning, yeah, we need to master grammar. Then what tell you? I'm not coming at all.
I'm not coming.
Oh, she's freezing.
Kilendi Kilendi kwiza kwameko.
Tutondele. Well done, yes. Well done. Kwame, yes. Okay, let me just go ahead to display on Tata David's coming. There's no display. You listen. Man, you were going from time. Sorry?
What about Tata Mabiala? You're not coming.
Oh, I don't know. Some years gone.
Okay.
Let me try to display this. Yes. Yes. Okay, before we jump on to this list, let's go back. Third person. I mean, first singular. No, third singular. You, he, she can't go at all. Totally. Remember, from third we have a ka as a negative. Yeah.
Kalendi kwendako.
Yeah. What about the emphatic, please? After the verb.
Oh, kalendi kwenda.
Yes. Ame aku andi la.
Oh, kwandiko.
Well done, yes. Then what tell you they can't go at all. I mean, they can't come at all. Third plural.
They can't come. Okay, so keba lendi.
Yes.
Kwenda.
No, quiza to come.
Go. Oh,
well
quiza.
done.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I think we are comfortable on that. That's good. Very good. You're doing well. Just a quick recap. I mean, any question? I think you're fine. Yeah.
Yeah. No. I just need I gotta do more reviewing.
Let's go to Mbanza, Congo. Stay there for a year. You will be speaking that language, no? Okay. That's why I keep saying this is it. We need to memorize. Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't. We just call it suffix because the way they're used. Yes.
I
mean, very flexible. Yeah. Ame, aku, andi, eto, eno, au. Emphatic, you put KW, kwame. The other way we're using the same thing. You know, we've been there. You know how to use it. Okay. Very good. Well done. Okay. Let me just try to. Yeah, we've been here. We've been there. I think we just going back. This was mainly for the brother from Los Angeles, the couple. Yes. Anyway, Tatale, question to Nangwatadiwa.
Sure. Nengwa tadiwa malavu nusinga sumbe.
V. Ketusinga sumba malavuko.
Well done, well done. This is third singular, not Tatale. You asking Nangwatadiwa, please, just her. Singular, I mean, one person. Then you reply, of course, Nangwatadiwa, you as yourself.
Nengwa tadiwa malavu usinga sumbe.
Say it again, please.
Oh. Okay. Nengwa tadiwa malavu. Is it Kasinga Sumbe?
That's the third. That's third. I know.
I know. Oh gosh.
Yeah, I know you know that.
I
Let me
don't know why I'm having a brain freeze right now.
No, don't worry. No, give 1 minute. I need to. Let me try to display this. No, can you try ask that the same question?
So I'm asking you using the
second singular. You talking to Tatan, yes.
Okay.
Second
singular. Malavu usinga.
Wow, bravo, yes. Let me just stop this. Tatan, I know you know that. I mean, the thing is, I think we need to go back to that.
I thought that's what I thought I said usinga, no?
You said new singer. Maybe sorry. Maybe I didn't catch it. Sorry.
Oh, new singer. Okay.
Let me try to display. So yes. Isinga.
Yeah,
Usinga.
Usinga. Yeah.
Osinga. Sorry. This when do you use K and A? Anyway, when do you use it?
He, she.
When do you use ka? It's third person singular. When do you use it?
In a negative?
Well done, yes. So this reflects, it's very hard. Okay, let me just get this here. Isinga, usinga, or could be O as well, yes?
Yeah.
I think to simplify, let's keep it like this. Okay?
Yeah.
Isinga, osinga, tusinga, nusinga, or lusinga.
So the third person singular wouldn't be K-singa or Ka-singa?
You did answer. You did. You tell me because you did well before that. I mean, you confusing yourself. You did explain it well before in 5 minutes ago. Negative. Remember K. Negative. Not affirmative. I mean, when you use K, the double negative. Yes.
Yeah.
Kasinga kwenda kwa him, her. Negative. Totally.
Yeah. No, I got it. I thought okay, I've got to go back and fix some old notes that I have.
No, just remember. Let me just write down. Are you okay?
I'm just writing down.
Oh, sorry. Where are we? K. Go. They go with ko. Yeah, these are double negative, yes? Totally, yes?
Yeah, no, yes, yeah. No, I understand.
The same I there, Just by coincidence, it is the I, your English I, yes? But I need to keep this. O U, yes? Lu or Nu. I'm going to tell you a question on this one. Yes? Yes?
What about Katu and Keba?
Yeah, I'm just writing the prefix. How do you call them? I just write the double negative. Ki go to ki Ki goes with ko, yes. Ke goes Ki. These are double negative, yes.
Yes.
Kilendi kwenda ko I. Kalendi kwenda ko. Even I miss something here. Let me just drop E. Totally. Get this, very important. Kilendi kwenda ko, yes? Ki N, yes? Remember, this small I, it is, just try to highlight it. This small I is your pronoun as well.
Yes.
Then what that is? Yes. This is Kikongo, you know? Magic language. No wonder Pastor Josiah says that it's the most intelligent language. This your double negative is hiding your pronoun first person. Same thing here. We have kulendi kwenda ka you single can't go. Yes, you. That's why I've written you here. Yes, you. Just by coincidence, you as a you in English. Kalendi kwenda ko, yes, him, her. Are you okay? Yes. Yes. Then even easy when you go to third person. Then what I do, I need your help. First person, first plural.
Is it Katu?
Yes, Katu. Total third plural. Sorry, second plural.
Kalu.
Well done, Kalu. Yes. Then we go. Yes, well done. This is Kikongo language. I like my language. No? Hang on. Oh, we're missing one. Then what I do, third plural, please.
Keba. Kaba.
Yes.
Keba.
Kaba or Keba. Let's just stick with Kaba, yes. Oh, sorry. Yes. Are we clear on this, Tatali?
Yeah.
Well done, yes. Where are we? Sorry. Kaba or Keba. I mean, as in any language, flexibility, variant, depends. Variant as well. Okay. Isinga. Let's put in. Let's use a plural. Let us use singa as a auxiliary. Let us use singa. I will go. Okay, let's put this. That Alain, everything is on the screen. I will go.
I will go.
I will, yes. Now I'm using will on purpose because will is, a version of auxiliary for this. I mean, same. Kikongo auxiliary will.
Isinga kwenda.
Yes. Well done, yes, Singa kwenda, yeah. You single will go, totally.
Usinga kwenda.
Yeah, well done. Usinga, yeah.
Osinga kwenda.
Either, I mean, it does matter. Yes. Third, Nengotadiwa. She will go. She's going. Nengotadiwa.
Yes.
Just look
Is
at
it
the board. Look at the board. Yes.
is it Osinga? Osinga
Yes.
Osinga Kwenda.
Yeah. Osinga Kwenda. Yes.
Also it's the same thing.
Yes. We will go. Tatane.
Nusinga Kwenda.
We will go.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Going.
Tusinga Kwenda.
Well done. Nengotadiwa. You many are going. You will go.
Nusinga Kwenda.
Lusinga or Nusinga Kwenda. Yeah. They will go. Nengotadiwa.
Basinga or Besinga Kwenda.
Yeah. Well done. Okay. This is positive. Now negative is there. It's clear, yes? KI for first, KU for second, so on. Are we okay on this one, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Any questions?
No question.
Okay, just sorry?
No, I was gonna say so. Okay, Singa is I think you said what auxiliary, right? Just
it is, yes, singer,
yeah,
yes,
okay.
singer.
Okay.
It is. It is like will in English, yes. Singer, yes.
Okay, so it's no different than Lindy is also an auxiliary, right?
It is, yes. Of course, you should not use. You can't use them. Can't use both of them.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, I understand. No,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, lend is can't. As in English, can't is a verb. Can is verb, but
Right.
sometimes not the verb. Used as a auxiliary. I can't do that.
Okay.
The verb is to do. Yes. Okay. Well done. Okay. Okay. Shall we go back to our main lesson?
Yeah.
Well done. You're doing well, you know. Seriously, I mean it. You're doing well. I mean you haven't wasted your time by being here. You're doing well. You have to. How do you call it? You have the pillars, yes? because we say makunzi, pillars. Let me write it down in Kikongo, makunzi, pillars. Makunzi. Kunzi singular, yeah? Kunzi. Yes. Makunzi, pillars, kunzi singular. Yes. Tutondele. Okay, we have 20 minutes. Let me just. We were here anyway. Okay. Okay, let us try to go to apply our knowledge on this one. Malavunu singa sumbe. That time you asking third person to Nengotadiwa? Then Nengotadiwa, you answering on behalf of them, please.
Nengotadiwa Malavu to
Third plural.
Oh, Malavu Osinga Sumbe.
Third plural.
Third plural. Oh, Malavu Besinga Sumbe.
Bravo, yeah, well done, yeah. Babe, yes.
V.
Nengotadiwa, please.
V.
You answer on behalf of them, yes.
V. Kebasinga Sumba Malavuko.
Bravo, yeah, you're speaking proper Congo now. Yeah, question. Okay, let us introduce Lendi on the answer, yes. Because the answer is negative. It takes Lendi, yes. Then what tell you ask that name? Be careful, you're asking him. You single.
You
Remember?
Okay, I'm using Lendi.
No, don't worry. You asking a question. The answer is going to include. You're going to insert
Yeah.
the landing on the answer.
Okay.
Whoever is answering, that time is going to give you the answer. Ngotedia, you ask the question, please.
Malavu usinga sumbe.
Yeah, usinga sumbe. Oh, usinga sumbe. Oh, usinga sumbe. Yes, good. That time, please.
Ve. Kelusinga Sumba Malavuko.
Your answer is you. You as one. You answer.
Oh,
Just you.
me as one, not okay, not
Yeah,
okay.
you just make sure you use the landing, please.
They no.
Yeah, you good. Yeah, good. Remember your KI. You have your negative.
Okay. Oh yeah,
your,
Kusinga Sum Kusa. Ve.
You single. You first single. Sorry.
First person singular.
Yeah, first singular. KI. You have your negative.
Okay. I thought you said you as in like instead of. Oh, you mean I as in me?
Yeah, you answered the question because she did ask you. Yes.
Kilendi Sumba Malavuko.
Bravo. Yes. Nengo tadi wa. Nengo tata Alan going to ask a question about she, he, him, her. Yes. Then some answer tata nengo tadi wa on behalf of she or her. Sorry, she or him.
Nangwatadiwa Malavu Osinga Sumbe.
Ve. Kalendi sumba malavuko.
Well done, totally well done. Yeah, you could have. I mean, you could have used. You can just use car as well on the question. Totally. Malavuka singa sumba. Yeah, it should be okay. But singa sumba, it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Confusing, but.
No, I get it. I got it.
Never mind. But just remember K-I-A-K-E-K-I, double negative, yes. Yes. That only question we asking on behalf of them again. I just want you to grasp it. It's not very important. We're not in a hurry. We just need to master these lessons. Very important. On behalf of them, that only, please.
Okay. My Nangwatadiwa my dear
Third plural, please.
oh my dear be Basinga Lambe.
Correct, well done, yes. Nangwatadiwa on behalf of them, yes, please.
Ve. Kebalendi lamba madiako.
Well done, yes. You're doing well, yes. Kingelezo, okay. This is transformation of the word in English. English. Kingelezo. Nusingavo ve. Kedusingavo va kingelezo ko. Now we're going to use the lendy and insistence, yes? Tata Alan, you asking Nengotadiwa, you many? Then Nengotadiwa, your answer will be we. Katana, please.
So you said we're introducing an emphatic on the response?
Yeah, we're using both. Don't worry, you asking the
Okay,
person that's going to give you an answer is going to use the lendy and the emphatic.
Okay, Nengotadiwa, Kingelezu. You said second plural.
Yeah, take it easy. It's there. Just use the.
Oh, Nusinga Vove.
Yes, thank you.
Ve. Katulendi vova kingelezo kwetoko.
Well done, yes. Remember, I keep repeating myself. We just use the instance just for the sake of learning, but you don't need to use it in this case. Just as soon as you say
What was the answer? Katu Lendi
Katulendi.
Bovangelo. That should be okay, but I just want to get used to Infantic and Lendi. Good. Question, Tatane.
No question. So we have the auxiliary, then the verb, and then the emphatic. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
when you use the Lendi, you need to drop your singer, yes, of course.
Yeah. Yep. Yep.
Because this is auxiliary. Lendi, of course, is negative. Auxiliary. And what are you? No question.
No question.
Okay. I think we're done for today. We should stop there. I mean, you done well. You know your grandma. That should do. So there, let's call it.
I gotta go and review.
Me
My
too.
brain is a little bit foggy, but I need to go review.
No, just, I mean, let me just remove this. It is not you. I think it is Kikongo, you know? The word, it is Bantu language, yes? This is, remember, I'm not a linguist, I'm teaching, I'm not a linguist, but remember this is a personal pronoun, but we have mono, ngeye, as pronoun as well. Understand?
Yeah.
Personal pronoun as well. Tell me.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, just focus on this one. I'm not saying that we have a free type of personal pronoun. When I say mono, monongele, I mean me. First singular, yes? Mono, me.
Mm-hmm.
Isinga, it's me as well. First singular. You get this, Tatel?
No, I got it. Yeah. So the I is really equates to mono.
Yes. Or in other case, you could say ngina mavimpi. That ngina is me.
Mm.
Yeah, Tatel? Confusing, yeah? Yeah. When I say ngina mavimpi, ngina, I mean I, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. No. Yeah. But
Yeah.
is it? I thought ngina was a verb.
Ah, that's a good question. I can't answer that question, but I'm not a linguist. What? Ngina, it's me because ngina mavimpi, then you say luna mavimpi. Do you get that?
Yeah.
You get
Yeah.
me too? Yes. It's
Ngina.
something, yes. Luna mavimpi, yes. I say ngina mavimpi. You
So
say luna
in this case,
mavimpi.
is ngina like I am well?
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Almost, we could say free type of personal pronoun, yes?
Yeah.
Monongele. I'm gone. Isinga kwenda is me as well.
Yeah.
Ngina mavimpi is me as well, yes? Anyway, I need to check the thing, Kikongo grammar, then we need to, but anyway, we need to explain it well. I'm going to explain it well. But the most important thing is just to focus on this one. It should be okay. Tutondele. Well done. If there's no question, we're going to say bye. Thank you very much indeed. I'm going to tell you a question.
Yes, I have a question.
Hey,
So
go ahead. Sorry?
How can we improve? How can we improve on our reading of Congo?
Reading.
Are there, reading? Are there any articles in Kikongo?
Yeah, I was thinking I'm going to introduce, how do you call it? I'm going to sing or read, then you write it down. Yes? Is this your concern, your question? I'm going to tell you yes?
Yes, it's useful. Yes.
Yes, we went backward because, okay, I had a brother. Remember two brothers, yeah? The couple, the
Yes.
camp. I was about to go there, but anyway, we had to go back, try to help them to catch up. Certainly, yes?
Mm-hmm.
We could do, if we give me 5 minutes now, I could sing in Kikongo. You write it down. Yes, Tatana.
Yeah, I have time. We still have time.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Then what I do? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. In Kikongo, we have a saying. Nalomba mvula makondo kakidila. If you ask for a storm, I mean no, not storm, rain, make sure you protect your banana trees. You know banana trees are all of them. Yes. Then what I did you get this? Nalomba mvula makondo kakidila. Okay, you ask for this. Okay, I'm going to sing. Give me 2 minutes. I think I'm going to find. Okay, quick one. I mean,
But how
just
would
try.
you correct us?
Sorry,
How would you correct us on our
you go to
spelling?
radio. Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, just 3 lines. Yes. Luzolo. Okay, I can't sing this. Just random. Hmm. Luzolo Luamvangi Eto. I repeat the same line. Luzolo Luamvangi Eto. Luyala Enza. Luzolo Luamvangi Eto. Luyala Enza. Okay, okay, let me okay, Tatana, can you read your Kikongo? I mean, your
But
line.
Luzolo Luavangieto,
Well done, good.
Luala Enza,
Luyala Enza.
Luyala Enza.
Yeah, well done. Nengo Tediwa, what have you written? What have
Lu
you
I
written?
wrote I wrote Luzolo Lwamvangi yetu Luyala Nzenza.
Okay, now I'm going to sing a verse.
Mhm.
Munazolela yanzambi wete tunawao. I repeat, just 2 lines should be okay. Munazolela yanzambi wete tunawao. Tatana, can you write the first line just on private? I can see you if you did get it.
You want me in the chat?
Private, yeah, in the private chat, yeah.
Okay,
First line,
Muna.
please. Munazolela yanzambi wete
Oh,
tunawa.
wait there. I thought it was wait.
Wete, yeah.
Okay.
Wete. Wow, what's that? Wow, that's good. Yes, yes, yeah. Then what I do at the second line? Then what I do?
We're going to type it in the chat. Okay.
Yes, on private, the second line. Yeah, because you did ask for a rain, so you need to protect your banana trees. Munazo lela yanzambi wete tunawao. Wait. Can you hear me?
Yes. I'm
Have you
almost
written?
done.
I'm waiting. Can you write on? Are you okay?
Yes, I wrote.
Wow, bravo. Okay, I'm going to sing the full song. I mean, the full hymn. Not the full. The verse first and the chorus. You don't need to write everything. Just write whatever you can take. Yeah, because singing, I mean, it's not easy to understand the song. Yes. Okay, are you ready? Luzolo lwanzambi eto luyalenza lutwa sampe mawete meto mbula twankembelela tuvuvikwa kwa ngolo zandi tunzolele tusanswa kwa mavangu mandi muwalakazi wese munazulela ya nzambi wete tunawa yasimini mumambi yokutumwe somala munazulela ya nzambi wete tunawa yasimini mumambi yokutumwe somala. Yeah, this is, I mean, I could say 18th century Kikongo, yes? This is it. Can't go wrong. So totally, you don't need to write down. Just tell me what read what you have written, please. I'm going to catch.
Oh boy, where do I start?
Anything
Okay.
at all.
Luzola Yanzambi, Luya, and then I got lost. Mbula wa tu viva tu Nzolele tu sans mu wala kazi muna.
Yeah. Good. You know, walakazi means motherly love. Yeah, walakazi.
Okay.
Walakazi. Then go Tadiwa, please.
Okay. Luzolo Nwambangi Eto Luyala Zenza Luzololwa. Then there's Muna Zolela Yanzambi Wete Tuna Wow. Then I got lost afterwards.
No, it's not easy. Yeah. Walakazi. That is there on the screen. Walakazi.
Okay, motherly love. Walakazi.
Very good word. Yeah, very good. Yeah. You know the same word the translator used for mercy. Yes?
Okay.
I like the translation mercy. They use the word walakazi for mercy in English, yes?
Okay.
Mercy.
But doesn't the word love mean Nzola?
Sorry?
Like the word love in Kikongo.
Yeah,
for love, Congo, Nzola.
Yeah, love.
Is it
love.
Nzola or Zola?
Nzola means it is a
N?
desire. Nzola is not love. Nzola is a desire.
Oh.
Yes?
Okay.
Desire.
Is it with an N or with a Z in front?
NZ, yeah. NZ desire, yes.
I thought it
meant love.
I thought it meant love too.
You have your English dictionary of 1887, Jean Lenvaux, William Bent. You need to check the word.
Okay, what if what is Zolele like? Is that to love then or to?
I think it means I want.
To want to love, yeah, we use the same word, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Nzolele kwenda, I want to go, yes.
Okay, to want, okay.
If I say Inzolele, I love her, I love him Yes.
So it's the words. It's interchangeable depending on the context.
Correct. Yes. When you say the word Nzola, be careful because this is the how to say it, connotation. Yes, Nzola. You know Zola. People are lazy. You know. Isaiah.
Okay, so there's a nasal. Okay, Nzola.
Yeah, desire. But the nuance. Yeah. If you desire something, it means I love it, isn't it? That's the connotation because the original meaning this is it, but nowadays people use nowadays people just they do whatever they want, but we understand, we know what they mean. Anyway, two tone yes? Was it hard? Yeah, 2 minutes. Let me just write the saying. Nalomba mvula makong. Nalomba mvula makondo kidila. Tata, nengwatata was you. I'm sorry. Hang on 1 minute. Makondo banana, but when in this text we mean banana.
Isn't it plantain?
Nengwatata, this is it.
Okay.
Nalomba mvula makondo kakidila. You did ask for a rain. Okay, you need the rain, you need to let that. Make sure your banana trees are safe because banana trees are always bent, no? Yeah, usually. Yes?
Yes.
Thank you very much for your time. Have a good week. See you on Sunday. Luenda Kiambote.
Nusala Kiambote.
Nusala Kiambote.
Well done.
Kietu yangani kawauko iwau bongole meso mwene isibudi matu umwidi ikonzo dieno Yeno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Yeno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe Ekulu mimikansi Congo diatungwa Yeno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Yeno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe Ekulu mimikansi Congo diatungwa
Pipa uma história que tá gravando na minha memória. África foi sempre linda, o nosso berço da humanidade. Havia muito renado, havia muita felicidade.